We're about to see an explosion when it comes to email marketing. Here's why. Right now, emails generally do not have the capability to book appointments, to fill out a form, or to perform another task when one is reading an email. And as an email marketer, you have to include a link or a button for someone to click on. That link takes someone to a website in order to perform the task that you want. So for example, let's say I want to schedule an appointment with you. I send you my Calendly link and you're able to click on that link to see sometimes when I'm available on a separate website or on one of the links in there. But the user, which is you, would click on a link to be redirected, right? And it's away from the email. What happens when someone can actually schedule a meeting right there while reading this email? Well, conversions will increase by up to 3 times. And that's why I wanted to share this with you. Mailmoto just raised $2 million in funding in order to continue to develop their accelerator mobile pages, AMP, and that includes things like webinar registrations on an email, appointments on an email, carousels, images that are dynamic, like dynamic content, accordions, surveys, feedback forms, reviews, so much more. And get this, you'll be able to use up-to-date stock information and increase urgency so that your customers are more eager to buy from you if you have an e-commerce store. And also use discount codes, upsells, recommended products to get customers to go back to their shopping cart and buy. There are other services that are already having that feature, but getting the $2 million in funds proves that AMP is going to continue to improve, and it will be a great benefit for all of us, marketers and users. This is going to be a game changer for email marketing and for business owners who use this to be able to improve their conversions. So the user won't have to click on your email to get to the next step of your funnel. Less steps equals to higher conversions. My name is Miri Lenov, email copywriter, and I look forward to helping you improve your email campaigns. If you have any questions, let me know. See you next week on another awesome video when it comes to email marketing.